is the letter name. The sound it makes is A. A. A is for ant. An ant can crawl on your arm. Ant. Our next letter is B. B. The sound the letter makes is B. B. B is for bed. I can sleep in my bed. C. C. And the sound K. K. K is for cat. Meow. Cat. 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 Well done. D. D is for dog. Dog. And it makes the sound D. D. Dog. Dog. E. E is for elephant. E makes the sound elephant. Elephant. F. F makes the sound We can put our teeth on our lip and go. That's it. Is for fish. Fish swim in the ocean. Fish. Well done. G. G can make two sounds. It can make the sound g, 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 like gorilla, or it can make the sound j, 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 like giraffe. Giraffes have very tall, long necks. Giraffe. Well done. H. H makes the sound is for helicopter. 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 That's it. Well done. I. I can also make two sounds. Sometimes we hear the sound I, and we need to see all of your teeth. Hold your mouth open wide and say I. Well done. I like igloo. It like ink. It can also make the sound I, like ice cream. I like cashew ice cream. That's it, well done. J. J makes the sound J, J, J. J for jump. Boing, boing, boing. Jump. Can you say jump? That's it. J, jump. Well done. K. K can also make the sound k, k, k. That's it. And K is for king. King. Well done. L. L makes the sound L. Look. L. 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 That's it. L for lollipop or lemon. M. M makes the sound is for Mummy. M is for monkey. Monkey. N. N makes the sound N. It's important to put our teeth together. N. Well done. N is for night time. Night. N. N is also for no. O. O makes the sound O. O. O for orange. Orange. I like to eat oranges. P. P makes the sound P. 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 That's it. P is for pigs. I like to cuddle pigs. P. P. Q. Q makes the sound Qu. 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 Qu is for queen. R. It makes the sound R. 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 That's it. R is for rabbit. I like to hold rabbits. They are very cute. S. S makes the sound S. S. S is for snake. Snake. Can you say snake? Very good. T. T makes the sound T. T. T is for tiger. Tiger. I like tigers. Tigers. U. U makes the sound up. Up for up. Up for umbrella. I use my umbrella when it is raining. Up. V. V makes the sound V. 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 V for van. Van. Beep beep. W. W makes the sound W. W. W is for whale. Whales swim in the ocean too. They are very big. W. X. X makes the sound X. And we normally hear this not at the beginning of words, often at the end of words like box and fox. Can you hear it at the end? B-ox, box, and f-ox, fox. That's it, well done. It's the last one at the end. Y. Y makes the sound Y. 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 Y is for yellow. Y. Yellow is my favourite colour. Z. Z. Z makes the sound Z. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. I like to see the zebras running in the wild. Zebra. Thank you for staying with me through the whole alphabet today. Now, if you liked my video, remember to hit like and subscribe. I'd love to see you again and be your teacher again. If there's a video that you really want, please let me know and I will make it, or I will try my best. See you soon. Bye bye.